Technology fact.
Neuralink approved for human trials. Don't get me wrong. 99% of the time, I'm pro artificial intelligence. But something about Neuralink freaks me out. Neuralink is a brain implant created by Elon Musk. It is a chip put into your brain that connects you to artificial intelligence, turning you into a computer. That's one thing sci-fi movies tell us not to do. Neuralink is not a new concept. Brain chips have been used to help with medical conditions like paralysis. The difference is that Neuralink will be a tool people want, not need. With Neuralink, you'd be able to talk mind to mind with others that have Neuralink, experience drugs without physically taking them. The hope is that Neuralink will recreate the effects of coffee among other things in your brain, so you won't have to physically take them. Have answers for everything instantly. You'd be like a human check. So when I saw that Neuralink has been approved by the FDA to start testing on humans, as gathering real-life data for AI training proves costly and time-consuming, developers increasingly rely on alternative training data sources, such as synthetic data. Synthetic data holds significant potential, as it avoids privacy restrictions and can simulate a wide range of scenarios. Gartner predicts that by 2030, synthetic data will become the primary data source for training AI models. That's it for the day.
Please like and subscribe.